Hi guys, so we are at Cromwell Lane level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe Thorpe. There we go, and I accidentally left RTT, so it's going to take a while to find this train out, unfortunately, because I had to go back on RTT, because Andrew sent me a link for RTT a couple of days ago for Burton Joyce, so I had to go into that and change its name to Newark Northgate, and then go all the way down to the right time, and then I'll tell you that. So, give me a second. I vaguely remember it. I think it's something Sierra. Yeah, I'm on the page now, and this is for our 1 Sierra 23, 1653, East Coast service from London King's Cross to Edinburgh, and the time now is 16:53 on Sunday the 14th of September 2014. So now we need to be showing the camera for this way. I should have gone on the other side for this closure then. God, I could do the iPad Air. Because holding it with one hand does make your arm stiff. Because the iPad is a heck of a lot lighter. It's only £1 in weight, and this is about £2.30 in weight. Green signal that way, so we've got one coming from this way. So this is for our Sierra 13. From London King's Cross to Edinburgh. Here we go, we've got a 943 coming again. When was our last 91? We've got a big break after this one. Next one's 1707 from Newark Northgate. So it should be up for about 20 minutes or something. And we've got '43. Thank you, 43,309. 43,311. Blowing away at the feathers that the electric thing did. Up they go. From that bird it killed. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video.